The unmistakable call of the Paradise Riflebird echoes across the mountains and valleys of the northern New South Wales lowland rainforest. This is an immature male practicing his intricate mating display. When he is in full adult plumage and has his display perfected, he will compete with other adult males to attract a mate. The Riflebird selects a platform for the display, returning to the same spot for his performances year after year. Only the male Riflebird with the best plumage and display will be successful with the female birds, ensuring a strong genetic line for their future offspring.